What's up guys, it's Max with Rocky Mountain Builds here in Salt Lake City, Utah. And today we're going to be showing you our latest Sprinter build out. It's a Sprinter 144 all-wheel drive. All right, so starting on the outside, we have the Fiamma F45 awning. And then we have these Magnus side steps. And then going over to the other side of the van, we have the White Top Adventures roof rack and ladder with 400 watts of solar on the roof. And then we also have a Velvet 2000R mini AC and a Max Air fan in the front. Going to the back of the van, here we have our water fill port for city water to fill up the water tank. We have a rear shower that just attaches right here. This just screws onto there. And then over here we have a 120 volt outlet with USB-C chargers, as well as our 30 amp shore power plug to charge up the batteries. So coming inside the van, starting off we have a diesel heater down here that runs off of the battery system, and then it also is tapped into the fuel tank of the van. So you basically have unlimited heat. The flooring is 2Tech2 woven vinyl flooring. It's super nice, it's super durable, it's waterproof. All right, so starting off with the galley here, this is all custom cabinetry that we make in-house with ultralight plywood. And ultralight plywood is 50% lighter than traditional Baltic birch plywood, so it keeps the build really light. And we have book matched walnut doors and drawers for all of our cabinetry. We have a tip out tray up here. Under here, we have our plumbing system and our hot water heater. This is a Bosch 4-gallon hot water heater. And that goes straight to the sink, which is up here. Sink is super nice. It folds down so it's out of the way, and you have lots of countertop space. The countertops are Corian countertops, solid surface. They're super nice, durable. The backsplash is actual marble, so it's really cool. It's a marble tile backsplash. And we have a outlet up here. All the outlets in this van have USB-C chargers on them, so it makes it super convenient if you're trying to charge your phone or laptop or whatever you're using. Our overhead cabinets, we have a bunch of these. We try to pack as many overhead cabinets as we can into all of our builds. Over on this side of the van, we have our induction cooktop, and then under that we have drawers. These are all soft close. So this van also has the EcoFlow 5 kilowatt power system in it. It's super awesome. You have this little tablet where you can control all your lights and all your outlets and circuits. And that just magnets on right there and charges. Our ceiling, we have a really cool ceiling with walnut slats and then recessed lighting that goes all the way to the back of the van. Back here we have the Velvet 2000R mini AC. This thing's great. It doesn't use a lot of power, which is super nice. So across from the seating area, we have this super custom, super beautiful storage area for all of your knickknacks and things. We have the overhead cabinets. We have 2 shelves right here. We have an outlet over here, along with tons of counter space. And then we also have this neat little bread box we built that also has an outlet inside of it. And tucked away in this cabinet is the EcoFlow power system. It's a super awesome system. It's nice and tidy. It doesn't take up much space. All right, so for this layout, we really wanted to maximize the lounge and seating space, since a lot of build outs don't really have that much area to sit. So we built this custom couch that turns into a bed, and I'll show you that in a second. And then we also have this nice table that you can either use as is, or you can pull out these leaves and flip it up, and does the same for the other side too. So you have a nice big table for all the people that are sitting here. And then to make it into the bed, all you have to do is undo this, and then this table comes right off. And if you see under here, there's plenty of storage space to stow the table, and then there's also a lot more space that you can store other bigger objects. So this just goes down here. And then this table leg just unscrews. You just step on this and you twist it, just like that. And then to make the bed, it's super awesome and super quick. All you have to do is push down on this little lever, and then there are these handles right here, and then all you do is pull it. Now you have your bed. So unmaking the bed is just as easy as making it. All you have to do is take your cushions and put them up here, and then there's these two handles right here. You can grab onto one of those, and then you have to push down on that latch again, and then it just slides right into place and locks in. Moving back here, we also have a projector, which is super neat. It's hardwired into the van, so you don't have to worry about charging it or anything. We have the projector screen up here, and it stows perfect in here. All you gotta do is just pull it up, set it down right here, and then you can watch your movies. It connects to a Fire Stick, so you can just Bluetooth straight from your phone to the projector. Also up here we have a cover for the van windows direct bunk half slider window. And then finally in the very back here we have this big cabinet, and this stores your cassette toilet. It will fit most toilets if you don't want a cassette toilet, but we include a cassette toilet. So that's it for this build out. This van is currently for sale right now. We just finished it up, so if you're interested, please hit us up in the description below. We also are a custom camper van builder. We do all custom stuff. So if you like what you see, but you want something a little bit different, feel free to reach out to us and we can make it happen.